so we're gonna be doing another a video, and so this is gonna be a flood just in this bucket. They have an island.
Yeah,
a
so
rock
Ethan,
island.
put the hose on the ground and then like put all the
Characters. So we got a bunch of characters.
This is the new thing. So put
One right here, one right there, couple there.
And
The
then-
shark's just gonna be lying there because it's a shark.
yeah. Now put Batman on the rocks.
Batman's gonna be right here.
Yeah. So now
It's gonna be right up here.
So now we're gonna
And baby zombie.
baby zombie in the grass.
And then there's gonna be this dude in the grass. No, actually, I'm gonna leave with him.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
So put the
Now
hose
the
in. It's not in too high pressure. So yeah, right there.
Oh, it's kind of muddy. So it's gonna be like, the leaf is kind of like, it might float, but it might not.
Okay. So baby zombies actually gonna be in so much trouble. Like, cause he's like stuck in.
He's buried. But he's a zombie, so he can breathe underwater.
Yeah.
He'll just turn into a drowned. Oh, the shark's moving! That is sick! The shark's
I
moving.
think he's going for.
He's going for Batman. He's like, I'm gonna eat you, Batman. Oh, no, he's turning. That is cool. It's not even a wind-up shark or anything. He's gonna go through the stream. He's gonna get power.
Oh, Batman is
Oh.
actually filling up.
Uh-oh, Batman. Steven's gonna win. Oh, the leaf's actually floating. The leaf is floating. Yeah, this zombie is like gonna be a drown really soon. And then
I think the safest guy is Steve, 100%.
yeah. See this guy, Steve, and like, cause see, this is kind of like floating, but the baby zombie can't float up. So, like, some of the things can't float, but these two can.
Oh, I think the shark it's turning around. I think it's trying to hit Batman.
Yeah.
It's tiny.
Oh, look at that. Look. He can't get up on the island. Oh, look at this Toy Story guy swimming away from the shark. Oh, the shark is going to get him.
Oh, he
The
barely missed him.
The shark's still going to get him.
Oh, he's cornered.
He's going to get cornered. No way.
Oh, what an epic.
That's kind of funny. Oh, he went back onto the reef. So this is the thing. When they float, they can go like get stuck in these cool things. The shark still wants to get that dude.
Yeah, he
The
really wants to.
explorers.
Oh,
good
Batman's slipping off.
Oh yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Oh, the baby.
Do I take him out?
zombie, The
Or
baby
no?
zombie.
Baby zombie floated out. Here, I'm gonna try and get him stuck somewhere.
Yeah, right there.
Urgh!
My
Oh my.
Buzz Lightyear is almost gonna get
Out. Oh, I got him stuck. I wanna see, can I get Batman stuck?
The only survivors pretty much is Buzz Lightyear and
Batman is still in right here. This Batman?
We can't really.
Oh, look at he's dead.
Okay, so now I guess we know that guy in the white is dead. And,
No, he's still on the leaf.
Oh, and, well, the alien just got bit. But.
No, but he's still alive. He's not sunk
Well, I
yet.
thought if the shark touches somebody, they.
Oh, then they're out. Take him. Oh, the shark just got a huge push.
No, that white guy's already dead though.
No, he
His
didn't get
face
eaten.
is
He
under.
didn't get ate. He didn't get eaten. Look at this. Is really weird. Here, I'll show the camera. You could take his head off, right? Oh. That's so weird.
Oh, Buzz Lightyear! Buzz Lightyear, bro.
Oh, Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear's head is underwater. I just noticed.
Steve, so I guess Buzz Lightyear is the. No,
No.
the shark has to get him.
Look at, he's using the wings and he can go even farther. Because the wings are kind of like a beast.
Steve is like the only person who is not like,
Oh, the
Loading.
what? Oh,
I
look
feel
at
bad for the little creeper, bro. I mean, the little zombie. I keep on calling him a creeper.
Yeah, the poor dude. Make sure to check out our Coke and Mentos video that we did. Both,
Yeah.
we have 2 of them.
I think the part one was better.
Yeah, it was crazy because I couldn't put the cap on and
Oh, Steve is almost getting flooded. Like he's almost floating.
Steve
So
is like
everyone is floating except Steve.
and the shark is cornered. He's like, I don't know where to go. No, can the
Open
shark
the mouth.
stay under?
Open the mouth.
Oh, maybe that will do something. Oh, Mom. He's gonna sink! Oh my! The shark is going to sink because he opened his mouth. Donna, 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 Donna. Ah, dead. Oh, the shark actually sunk to the bottom.
Steve is starting to float now.
Okay, now it's gonna go to tornado.
No, put it back in. Steve has sunken. No.
Baby zombie!
Where's the baby zombie? Oh, the baby zombie.
The rat?
No, Ethan, leave it. If they float.
Oh, look at the shark! This dude almost just got eaten.
Wait, where's the shark? You can barely see the shark.
The shark, he's right here. He's right here. The shark is stuck in the corner. He's right here. He's back in the corner.
No, they're gonna start flowing out. They're gonna start flowing out.
Baby zombie's out.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, put it in. No, so if whoever
Where's
is the
the
last
shark?
one in there now. Who's ever the last one in there,
Where's the shark? Where is the shark? I feel like he's
no,
at
stop
the
Ethan.
bottom.
I want to see what happens.
Oh, yes.
Oh, they're gonna all the current is gonna lift them to this spot.
And then, yeah, they're
And
just
then-
gonna fly out and we'll see who's the last
Yeah,
one.
I think Batman. That Batman at the back. Right there.
Steve's gonna win. See?
Steve. Oh yeah, Steve.
He's like
100%.
holding on. He's
holding
on.
on
It's
with
so close. It's so close.
They're gonna start flowing out.
Oh, the water's escaping
The
now.
current.
Oh, the zombie's just holding it. The zombie's gonna be the first.
Oh,
What's gonna happen?
Batman!
Oh, Steve and Batman. Those two.
We're flooding the bucket and seeing who can be the last one to flood out. The creeper's lucky.
What creeper?
Oh, zombie? Where's the baby zombie?
Baby zombie already got eaten, so I took him out. He's right here.
Oh,
He got eaten by the shark. Where is the shark? Is the shark there? Oh, is
no, Steve just
Steve's gonna catch on to Batman. He's gonna kick him in the face. Batman is just like holding onto the leaf. And then Buzz Lightyear is just gonna
The
go.
current is
Buzz
so
Lightyear!
strong.
Buzz Lightyear! Buzz Lightyear just...
They're all going to that spot. I'm gonna move this. What you doing, everyone?
Yeah, let's move this right into here.
So
So they're
now-
all there. Now it's just gonna be the first person. Oh, it just moved!
No more save.
This dude
I
is
think
gonna get out
Steve.
first!
I think
This
Steve
dude's-
is the most safe.
How about if he catches right there? If it's like he gets stuck in there? Ooh, that'd be so lucky. Let's get the grass out.
Or if he like falls down there and his hand got
the
caught
grass
on
is,
there.
The grass is saving the zombie and every other character.
I think you get the blueberries out of it.
I think Steve's gonna be the last one, and that
Oh
white
my.
guy is gonna be the first.
Mm-mm.
Plus, they could start flowing out from the sides, right?
Oh, you have really seen? Now it's just gonna be.
Holy crap! Buzz Lightyear is dead. No, it's because there was already mud. No, there's like dried up dirt now.
Now it's just gonna be like this.
Oh! Now they'll start flowing out from on this side. Yeah, I liked it like that.
Oh yeah! Oh my! Zombies crawling on the road.
Oh, look at Batman at the back.
Where's Steve?
Oh, there's Steve.
It's not even going in anymore. Oh my! If you spray right here, mud just comes out. Here, I'm gonna do it like this.
This is a 10-minute video already.
Yeah, let's make it hard now. This.
Okay,
I'm gonna say
Can you hold the camera? Can you hold the camera?
Yeah,
I
you
wanna-
got all the characters. Try and spray them out.
Okay. It's like a tornado, everybody. Wait, no. I'm gonna make it on a lower pressure so it's acting like a tornado.
Like that? Oh my god!
Try to get the outside wet.
Here, Logan, hold the camera. I want to do something. Okay, you ready? Logan, stop doing that.
Oh,
I'm just gonna push it a little bit. This way. See if anything comes out. No one came out. Here, I'll just do this. Hold die time.
No, I've been holding that.
It's kind of getting, the video's getting kind of boring.
Okay, we're gonna make it real intense now to make the video. And wait, it's not. I'm gonna try and push them out like that, you know?
Imagine if the baby zombies. Where is the shark?
Yeah, that's what I know.
Here, hold it. I'm just gonna put my hand in. It's not cold.
No, Ethan, I have an idea.
I'm just gonna dump it.
Oh, there's a shark.
What?
Yep, we're doing
Shark! Shark!
Who's gonna win? I think Minecraft Steve is. She's right by my hand.
Zombies out.
Now it's between Buzz Lightyear and Steve.
No, Steve! Steve!
No, Steve, buddy.
What the? Why are they going to the very back?
Bro, what the heck?
It's getting down. Did you see the mountain?
Yeah, the mountain is flooded.
Hey!
Okay, let's do another one now.
So, no, we're gonna do a whole different video of another one, okay?
Buzz! Okay. So, okay, get back. Okay. So, I guess, Steve won.
Well, actually, Buzz Lightyear and Steve, it was a tie.
No, but then we did it into like a tie round, so.
Okay.
We're gonna try the iPad off. Steve won, he's still in there now. So, he's, switches